The pi electrons are sometimes the pi electrons are taken by this oxygen atom and sometimes the pi electrons are taken by this oxygen atom. The pi electrons are moving towards two oxygen atoms. This is called as delocalization. Delocalization. Now, acetic acid is a weak acid and its pKa value is 4.7. Now, when acetic acid is mixed with the water, acetic acid is liberating proton into the water and formation of H3O plus takes place. Now, according to law of mass action, is nothing but the rate of reaction is proportional to the concentration of reactants. For example, according to law of mass action, according to law of mass action, the rate of reaction is proportional to the concentration of reactants. That means sometimes the reaction takes half an hour, 30 minutes or 15 minutes. That is depends upon the concentration of reactants. Some reactants are reacting in a very fast manner, but some reactants they are taking certain time to react. That is all depends upon the chemical behavior. Now, if you write about this is the Ka, acid dissociation constant. Ka is nothing but the acid dissociation constant. Acid dissociation constant. This means up to what extent the acid can dissociate. That is maybe the acetic acid it will dissociate 1% or 2% or 3%. We are calculating with the help of Ka. After that, the acetic acid, after converting this acetic acid into acetate ion, after certain time, this acetic acid do not undergo conversion or dissociation into acetate ion. That is the equilibrium position. So here now I am looking on Ka of acetic acid. So acetic acid Ka means acid dissociation constant. Acid dissociation constant. Nothing but to what extent the acid can dissociate. So now this Ka, this water is this water is eliminated because the volume of the water is remains as such. It do not change time to time. So that's why we are now see here the Ka is directly proportional to the concentration of H plus ion. That's why if Ka value is more, the substance is the component is more acidic. If Ka value is low, the compound is less acidic. More Ka value, stronger acid. If your Ka value is low, it is less acidic. For example, we apply the log minus log P on both sides. But normally the strengths of the acids are represented with the pK value. pK is nothing but the minus log K. So we are representing the K here in the form of a pK value also. Now we can compare the carboxylic acid acidity with some other acids. Comparison between the acetic acid and phenol. Acetic acid is more acidic than phenol. Phenol is more acidic than alcohol. So now see here, acetic acid is more acidic because acetic acid is producing two resonating structures. The charge is distributed equally between the two oxygen atoms, and acetic acid is producing two resonance structures. But in case of phenol, phenol is undergoing dissociation and it is producing phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion, and this one is acetate ions. Acetate ion. Now oxygen have two lone pair of electrons. These two lone pair of electrons are, one of the lone pair of electron is entered into the delocalization. Now it is producing resonating structures. These are the resonance structures of the phenol, and even though the phenol is producing more resonating structures, but if you see the negative charge here in this molecule, negative charge is carried by the electronegative oxygen atom. But in this case, the negative charge is appear on the carbon atom. Carbon atom is not electronegative atom, and this molecule is not that much of stable as compared to the acetate ions, because here the negative charge is carried by the oxygen atom, electronegative oxygen atom, but here the negative charge is carried by the carbon atom. So that's why the phenols are less acidic compared to the carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. But in case of alcohol is producing, upon dissociation, it is producing alkoxide ion. It is producing alkoxide ion and H+ ion. This is an alkoxide. Here there is no another atom to disperse the charge, and only one structure is available for the, in case of alcohol, For example, methanol or ethanol. For example, I am taking here ethanol, CH3CH2, and this is an alkoxide ion, and this is the phenoxide ion, and this is an acetate ion. Acetate ions are more stable compared to the phenoxide ions because here the charge is distributed between the less electronegative carbon atoms, and in case of alkoxide ion there is no another resonating structure. If the compound is producing more resonating structure, that is more stable. But here of course phenol is producing more resonating structures, but it is less stable than the acetate ions because the charge is carried by the less electronegative carbon atom, and in this molecule there is no charge distribution takes place because only one structure is available in case of alcohols. So that's why acetic acid is greater acidic than the phenols, and phenols are greater acidic than the alcohols.